ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Tnat election jong sarkar jilla kala Bynshet haki bor pahara bakin pet ye kajing yad bet jong ke election haki lightly ki constituency kata hamauren keneng hamau plang bad haraja bala kaban salong hakalai pauterik ubnai risau arajar arpuai Chief Electoral Officer ke jilla uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor habay keren bat kilat pathai khubor uliatho baula shong jingyalang bat ki Deputy Commissioners ki Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills bat ke West Garo Hills bakin pengor bhai ke jinglong jingman hapo kini ki laitli ki constituency khamtam hadin makalami ke jingyakan at bat ke jingya shok yadan hapdeng ki nongkershan ke NPP bat ke Congress haraja bala constituency haga arbu nyotrik ubnai risau arajar arpuai Hakabayday bat ke jingjia haraja bala constituency uba Kharkongor ulayatho baki pulit kila kemru ya laingut ki breu hadin bakaladon ke jingmudui ejahar bat menta ki pulit kidang penlong ye ke jing tokit ban nangkem sesu ye ki breu ki badan kti halor kene ke jingjia.
We had a detailed discussion on the incident at Rajabala which took place yesterday. So the district election machinery has swung into action and they have already arrested and detained 3 people based on the FIRs which were filed, and more arrests are likely to be made based on the FIRs that have been filed. They have also placed 6 striking reserves in and around the area for area domination and for this patrolling. So there is also the police observer is also camping there in the Rajabala area, and the SDPO and the OC of Fulbari plus the SP and the DC are closely monitoring the situation. The flying squad team is also doing random patrolling all around that area, and of course, as you know, Section 144 has also been imposed following that incident. So apart from these measures, they are keeping a close watch and strict vigil to ensure that there are no such recurrence of such activities in those areas. Although they have said that it's just a random incident, it was not premeditated as such. It's a group clash, and 11 people were injured, and but they sustained minor injuries only, and no one was hospitalized. And they are keeping a close tab on the on the unfolding events, and especially I have instructed them that they should maintain close vigil right up to the day of poll and also on the day of poll as well, to ensure that all such apprehensions should be dealt with firmly, and should be dealt with with proper use of the law and order machinery. Then regarding East Khasi Hills also, I did a review of the security scenario, and East Khasi Hills SP was also there, and he has mentioned they have a detailed plan of action to counter any intimidation that is there or that had surfaced some time ago. The district election machinery has taken adequate safeguards, and as we see from the campaign also, huge numbers of people. In fact, the complaint is that they are violating COVID norms. They have come out in such large numbers that the complaint from that I hear is about violation of COVID-19 norms. So if you look at the numbers of people that have been attending the various election campaigns, it appears unlikely that the people will be affected by such by any intimidation. It appears unlikely. I mean, I'm judging from the number of people who have come for the campaigns. I'm not at liberty to give you all the details, but I have shared with you just the overall review as well as the strategies. We see no reason why the turnout should be low. I mean, if you go, based on the number of people who have attended the campaign and the kind of enthusiasm that has been shown by the people, as I said, that so much so that it seems as if they're not afraid of COVID-19 also. So it appears that likely it should be a big turnout also. exact figures, but I think Maurakning and Mawphlung, the percentages was much higher than the district average also. So traditionally these two constituencies, their voting is quite high. I think it was quite a healthy percentage.
And what about Rajabala?
It's always been a very good turnout, and I think in Rajabala also the people have enthusiastically participated in the campaigns, and I also anticipate that the voter turnout will be quite robust.